Let's make the ultimate Oreo ice cream. Sugar, simple enough. Let's put that in there. 1/3 cup, pretty simple. Ba-bam. All right, next you want cream cheese, and they always want you to soften cream cheese. You know what's easy to have that's already softened? Whipped cream cheese. And yes, this is a Food Line brand, but who cares? Mind your business, people. Making ice cream on a budget. It's still gonna taste fine. Put it up on here. And vanilla extract. Bougie. It's just a teaspoon. Yeah, might have went a little over. Easy enough. Ba-bam. Now, simple enough. Stir it until it's ready to go. Should be a little clumpy with everything incorporated. So something like that. Now what you need? Milk and heavy cream. Got it mixed up. 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk. And you just stir it up until everything is incorporated. Bring it down here. Yeah. All right, now it's incorporated. Let's crunch up some Oreos. You know, this can be a great stress reliever right here. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Don't make too much of a mess. I'm trying to get yelled at. How much? That should be fine. Let's go a little more. It's the ultimate one, for God's sake. All right, ready? Yes, leave the cream on it too, because you want it to taste. All right, once crumbled it up, use your best judgment, however crumbled you want. That should be mashed up enough. Just pour it right into the base. So, ba-bam. All right, get that out of the way. Stir it up. All right, you know how to make ice cream? You gotta freeze it. Put it in a little container. Oh, yeah. All right, we'll freeze it and we'll be back. All right, now the base is nice and frozen. It is ready to be put in here and actually make the ice cream. This Ninja Creamy technology is amazing. Go check it out. Get your guys some. It's easy. Throw right in this thing. Put this lid on. Just the modern day Ben and Jerry's here. Get it right here. Make sure it gets on. Locks into place. Now you want ice cream? Push power. And you push ice cream. Now let's do a time jump to where it's done. All right, now that it's done with its first spin, press the unlock, come back around. I like to spin it twice, so I like to put the chunks that we got going on right now. So the cookie dough Oreo chunks are gonna go in here now. Check that out. Oh, y'all don't even know. Don't even know. So make a little bit of a boopy-da-boop right here. I'm gonna put these chunks in here. The other ones just added on Oreos. This is Oreos in its soul. And cut this cookie dough up. Put it right here in the middle. And one more thing. Nice and chopped up. It's gonna be magical, guys. Gonna be magical. Okay. We'll test it out. All right, let's go back in. I'm gonna figure out how this works. Lock it back into place. One more time. And time wipe. We back in it. Now let's see what the final result is. It might look like chocolate ice cream. Do not be fooled. This sucker is the ultimate Oreo ice cream. You know what it's time for? It's time to try it. Oh my God. That's exquisite. What ice cream flavor should we make next? Comment below. See you next time.